Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Phillips Humphreys, and I'm going to give you a tour of my interactive whiteboard layout that I did for today's assignment. I used Realtimeboard.com. I did like that website. Like anything else, it just takes a couple of minutes to get acquainted with the tools and the functions, but once you do that, it's relatively easy to create a lesson. My lesson is our solar system, Discover the Planet, and in conjunction with wanting to learn the website and creating a whiteboard activity, I did want to make something that was visually interesting, got the students up and moving out of their seats, and became more engaged in their learning process. So hopefully I've done that. I've started off with 2 short videos, each around 3 minutes long, one about space exploration. I thought we could start with that to get the students excited with the prospect of the upcoming lesson. The second one is more about the solar system, names of the planets and their relationship to the sun. I have a couple of images in here that just reiterate the names of the planets and their relationship in the solar system, and one over here that's blank that would help us practice the names and the relationship to the sun. Then I also have a couple of interactive activities. I've got Planet Scramble and I've got a matchup game. Of course, the idea is to get the students out of their seats and they can take turns with unscrambling the word and writing right on the whiteboard, which students seem to like to do, younger ones at least. And then I've got these images that are sprinkled around all over the page, and they're not just graphics. When you double click on them, they will take you to a new web page specific to that planet. So for instance, when you double click on Earth, it will take you to a web page about Earth, and it'll have a couple of facts on there about Earth, some questions, possibly an activity. And I thought that we could probably work through a couple of these a day as a class, and it would make it a little bit more fun to do it that way. Ending the lesson down here with a Quizlet. Again, it's in the link to the Quizlet is embedded in the icon. You just double click on that and it takes us to a short quiz on naming the planets. That's basically it. I had a good time actually creating this. It was fun. I can definitely see myself using this in the future. And that's it. Thank you.